Today, I'm going to show you how to add background images to charts in Microsoft Word in a simple, fast way. This is a great trick if you want your charts to look more polished, more branded, or just a little more visually interesting inside your document. Whether you're making a report, presentation handout, or a business document, this method can help your charts stand out without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and easy step-by-step tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and find the chart you want to edit. This can be any chart you've already inserted into your file, whether it's a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or another type of chart. The process is very similar for most chart styles, so once you learn this, you can use it again and again. Now, right-click directly on the chart area. Make sure you click on the chart background itself, not just on one of the bars, lines, or labels. After right-clicking, look for the option that says Format Chart Area and select it. This opens the formatting panel where you can customize the appearance of the chart background. Once the Format Chart Area menu appears, you want to look for the Fill settings. In this section, choose Picture or Texture Fill. This option tells Word that instead of using a plain solid color, you want to use an image or texture as the background for the chart area. It's the key step that makes the chart look more customized and visually appealing. After selecting Picture or Texture Fill, you'll see an option to insert your image. Click that button, then choose the image you want to use from your computer. You can use a logo background, a subtle pattern, a branded graphic, or any image that fits the style of your document. Once you've selected the image, Word will apply it to the chart background. If the image looks too strong or distracts from the chart itself, you may want to adjust the transparency or image settings if available. The goal is usually to make the chart easier to view, not harder. A background image works best when it adds style without making the text or chart data difficult to read. You can also resize or reposition the chart if needed so the background image appears the way you want. Take a moment to check how the chart looks in the context of the whole page. Sometimes a small adjustment makes a big difference in how professional the final result feels. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add a background image to a chart in Microsoft Word and make your document look much more polished. This is especially useful for branded reports, school projects, and business presentations where visual presentation matters. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials, office productivity tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.